Bay window installation in Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our Bay Windows Washington experts provide top-notch bay window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're in need of bay window replacement in DuPont Circle or bay window replacement in Adams Morgan, our team of bay window professionals is here to help. Custom bay windows in Georgetown offer a unique touch to any home, allowing for personalized bay window design that reflects your style. Our bay window specialists in Woodley Park are skilled in creating custom bay windows that fit perfectly with your home's architecture. With a variety of bay window styles available in Navy Yard, you can choose the perfect look for your space. Energy-efficient bay windows in Capitol Hill are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. Our bay window contractors in Columbia Heights are experienced in installing energy-efficient bay windows that help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Bay window materials in Logan Circle are selected for their durability and energy-saving properties. Affordable bay windows. Washington make it possible for homeowners to enjoy the benefits of bay windows without breaking the bank. Our bay window options in Brooklyn include a range of affordable solutions that don't compromise on quality. Bay window maintenance in Cleveland Park ensures your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Bay window customization in Mount Pleasant allows you to create a window that perfectly suits your needs. Our bay window enhancements in U Street Corridor include features like built-in seating and storage, adding both style and functionality to your home. Bay window features in Southwest Waterfront are designed to maximize natural light and provide stunning views. Bay window trends in H Street Corridor are constantly evolving, with new styles and innovations emerging regularly. Our bay window aesthetics in West End, D.C. focus on creating a harmonious blend of form and function. Bay window benefits in Noma, D.C. include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced curb appeal. Bay window craftsmanship in Glover Park is evident in the attention to detail and quality of materials used. Our bay window innovation in Cathedral Heights ensures that you have access to the latest advancements in window technology. Bay window upgrades in Tenleytown can transform your space, adding value and beauty to your home. Bay window professionals in Tacoma, D.C. are dedicated to providing exceptional service and expert advice. Our Bay Windows Washington solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring complete satisfaction. With a focus on bay window design in Foggy Bottom, we create windows that are both beautiful and functional. Bay window contractors in Columbia Heights are committed to delivering high-quality installations and replacements. Our bay window styles in Navy Yard offer a wide range of options to suit any taste or budget. Bay window materials in Logan Circle are chosen for their durability and aesthetic appeal, ensuring your windows stand the test of time.